Are you struggling with merging key-value pairs in Java streams? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to execute a reduce operation on a stream to merge entries with the same key. I totally get it. Working with streams can be tricky, especially when you want to merge entries without loading everything into memory. It's a common challenge for many Java developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to merge consecutive entries in a stream of key-value pairs, like transform pairs such as 1, 3, and 1, 5 into 1 with a list of values. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what's the best approach? The user mentioned a custom iterator, but that can get messy. We need a clean way to achieve this using Java streams while keeping memory usage efficient. And stick around. I'll share a powerful tip at the end that will help you streamline your Java coding even further. To begin solving this problem, the user should create a method that processes the stream of key-value pairs. This method will utilize the reduce operation to merge values with the same key. Next, the user needs to define a binary operator that will handle the merging of values. This operator should take two lists and combine them into one list for the same key. Now, the user can apply the reduce operation on the stream. They should group the entries by key and use the defined binary operator to merge the values. Finally, the user should return the resulting stream. This stream will contain the merged key-value pairs, where each key maps to a list of values. Fun fact, did you know that Java was originally designed for interactive television? It's come a long way since then, and now it's a staple for back-end development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the streamx library. They suggest using the collapse method to merge consecutive entries with the same key. This approach allows you to group values into a list without loading all data into memory. Additionally, they demonstrate how to verify lazy loading by using the peek method. This allows you to see the data being processed without affecting the final output. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Always consider memory efficiency when working with streams. It can save you from performance issues down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to merge key-value pairs in Java streams efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.